Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new surfboard. First, let's talk about fins. Most boards use either FCS or Futures fin systems, so make sure you have the right type. Carefully insert each fin into its box, then use the fin key or screws to tighten them securely. Double-check that they are facing the correct direction for maximum drive and control in the water. Next, we'll attach your leash, a crucial safety item. Take the thin leash string and thread it through the leash plug on the tail of your board. Tie a strong, secure knot to create a small loop. Then, connect the swivel end of your leash to this loop. This ensures your board stays with you after a wipeout, preventing it from drifting away. Now let's get some grip on that deck. First, ensure your board's surface is clean and dry. Begin by applying a base coat of wax in a crosshatch pattern over the areas where your feet will be. This creates small bumps for traction. Follow up with a top coat of wax, chosen for the water temperature, to enhance that essential grip. Before hitting the waves, perform a quick final inspection. Double-check that all your fin screws are tight and secure. Ensure your leash is firmly attached and not tangled. Also, give your board a quick once-over for any dings or damage that might need repair. With these steps, your new surfboard is perfectly set up and ready for an amazing session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.